Hi there, my name is George Washuri, the CEO Optiven Real Estate, or if you like it, Optiven Group. I am coming to United Kingdom. Watu wa Manchester, I am coming to your city. All the people living near Manchester, the people of Lancaster, kuna Wakenya pale. All Kenyans in Chester City, ninakuona, you are there, please come. Those who are living in Leeds, kujeni tafadhali, kujeni na mkuje kwa wingi. You know, Kenyans in Salford, karibuni sana. And all Kenyans in New York, Liverpool, Preston, karibuni sana. We are meeting at Manchester City. The address, the hotel is right here. And you are going to have a dinner. Can you imagine a dinner? Gonna be fire. I'll be talking about how to overcome stagnation for your success. Come we greet each other, come we motivate each other, and who knows, Optiven is about inspiring possibilities. Tafadhali watu wangu, musiniangushe. Nimekaa sana bila kuja Manchester. Sasa nakuja near your city. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Goja tukule dinner pamoja, tuongee pamoja, we laugh together, and I can tell you, you will not regret. God bless you. See you there. 9th of September from 7 to 9 p.m. 7 to 9 p.m. Save the date. Mbarikiwe sana. George Washuri. God bless. Asante sana.